Okay, so good news, guys. We've got SBS on demand on the Vodafone TV box, or probably any Android TV box you have. So I just got the Google Play Store, SBS on demand, and it's right here. Install. Been trying to get an APK for it for a while and nothing works. Every APK version I tried kept crashing, but this is the official version, so very happy with that. This is for you, Fraser. Fraser is my workmate. Open. Now you have to sign in. I'll skip it for now. Yes, here it is. All the good stuff on SBS on demand. Let's try something. Action adventure. Oh, nice. Play. So I'll just log in. System account. Use my Google account, which is already stored, so it should work straight away. Oh, magic link sent. It's playing, so all I had to do was click on a link in an email they sent me and it started working. And I can right click and it fast forwards. I click OK, it shows I can go 15 seconds, or I can fast forward like that. Or pause. Thanks and bye bye.